Last class, you have seen some problems. Now, few more problems are left over from our material. Once you look at those models also. So, all of you open our material. So, in the material, कहाँ तक हो गए last class में? कहाँ तक हो गया?
29
29.
29th was completed, na?
Yes, 30th was going on.
Now look at the problem number 30. So observe this problem number 30. It is x by a cos theta x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. From this plus 1 other side, you get the minus 1. And other equation is x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta is equal to 1. This is another equation. What is the value of x square upon a square plus y square by b square is equal to how much? Okay, means here we have to eliminate the theta. Observe this problem. So from these two equations, we have to eliminate the theta. So to eliminate the theta, already the procedure I was given. When if you find an equation in terms of the sine and cos, square both the equations on both the side, then add them. Automatically the theta will get eliminated. So here we will square these both the equations on both the sides. Squaring means we have to apply whole square for that entire term. Means x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta whole square. And if you expand that, a plus b whole square form, if you expand that, a square means x square by a square cos square theta plus b square means y square by b square sin square theta plus 2ab, that is 2 into a means x by a cos theta into y by b sin theta, that is you can write 2xy by ab sin theta cos theta is equal to minus 1 whole square is 1. This is expansion of the first equation. Similarly, square this equation also on both the sides, then it is x square by a square sin square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta. Here we'll get that minus 2xy by ab sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. This is what we are getting. Now add them. Add these both the equations. If we add them from the first these two terms, we can take x square by a square common. Take x square by a square common. If you take x square by a square common, the means cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1 plus. Similarly, from these two, I can take y square by b square common. Then remaining is sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1. And these two terms are getting cancelled, is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. That is the answer. Means if we add them, automatically the theta is getting eliminated. Then we are getting the answer. So this answer is 2. Take that. Completed. Okay. Next, look at the next problem. Observe this problem number 30 first. X sin cube alpha plus y cos cube alpha first problem. X sin cube alpha plus y cos cube alpha is equal to sin alpha into cos alpha, and x sin alpha minus y cos alpha is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x square plus y square is equal to how much? Look at this problem. So here, first they have given this relation. From this, x sin alpha is equal to y cos alpha. So this negative term other side. Now bring this cos alpha this side, divided by cos alpha, then sin alpha upon cos alpha, which is tan alpha, is equal to y by x. Means indirectly they have given the value of one trigonometric ratio. If you know one trigonometric ratio, then you can find other trigonometric ratio by considering the right angle triangle. Here I will consider the right angle triangle for the angle alpha. So tan means opposite by adjacent side, means this is y unit and this is x unit. Then the hypotenuse will give root over x square plus y square. So this root x square plus y square. So this is root x square plus y square, that is the hypotenuse. So because every time it is somewhat difficult to write this entire term, that's what take that is equal to say k. Take the k. Now come to this equation. This is x into sine cube alpha. From this right angle triangle, tell me what is the sine alpha? Sine alpha can see?
Y by K.
Y by k. Y by k sine cube alpha, which is y cube upon k cube, plus y into what is the cos alpha from the triangle?
X by K.
X by k. Cos cube means x cube by k cube is equal to sin alpha means y by k, cos alpha means x by k. That we will substitute here. Now since here the LCM in the LHS side is the k cube, from the numerator I can take x into y as the common. Take xy as the common. Take xy as the common. Remaining is y square plus x square will be there, is equal to it is x into y by k square. Okay. So on both the sides is x into y gets cancelled. K square and 1k gets cancelled. Now x square plus y square is equal to k is there. Is equal to k. This is what we got it. But k means we have taken under root x square plus y square, means x square plus y square value become k square. So k square is equal to the k. I can cancel 1k, therefore k value is 1. So k value we got the 1, where k means we have taken that root x square plus y square value is 1. Therefore, squaring it on both sides, x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is answer. Take that. Completed. Next, look at the next problem. Look at this problem number 32. So it is the standard question. So observe this problem number 32, which is a cos cube alpha plus 3a cos alpha sin square alpha is equal to m, and a sin cube alpha plus 3a cos square alpha sin alpha is equal to n. What is the value of m plus n whole power 2 by 3 plus m minus n whole power 2 by 3 is equal to how much? Okay. Before going to solve this problem, once we have to recollect the formula for a plus b whole cube. a plus b whole cube का formula क्या है? a cube plus
A cube plus 3A square B.
plus 3ab square plus b cube.
B cube.
This is the formula for a plus b whole cube. Similarly, a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Alternative will get the plus or minus. That is the formula for a minus b whole cube. So we are going to consider these two formulas here. So first what we will do is, the first equation I will divide it by a on both the side, or okay, I will divide it by a on both the side. Then we are getting that cos cube alpha plus 3 cos alpha sin square alpha is equal to m by a. Similarly, second equation also divided by a. Then sin cube alpha plus 3 cos square alpha sin alpha is equal to n by a. Call that is equation number say 1, and call this is equation number say 2. Okay. Now, first I will add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. So if we add them, once observe these terms. It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube form. So take these terms in the order. So it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube form. Means if we add them, this entire summation is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So a means cos alpha plus sin alpha whole cube. This is m by a. This is one relation. And if you subtract them, ये दोनों भी subtract करो. ये दोनों भी subtract किया तो इसका साइन नेगेटिव आता है. Then क्या मिलेगा हमको? a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. That is the form of a minus b whole cube. That is cos alpha minus sin alpha whole cube. इसके expansion मिलेगा उधर. It is n by a. These are the two equations we got. Okay. Now, the power is 3. Send this power other side. Then it is cos alpha plus sin alpha is equal to m by a whole power 2 by 3. Sorry. दोनों भी ऐड किया तो m by a plus n by a. So which is m plus n by a. ये दोनों भी सेपरेट किया तो हमको मिलेगा m minus n by a. Okay. Now here power is 3. Send this power other side. Then it is cos alpha plus sin alpha is equal to m plus n by a whole power 1 by 3. Whenever if you send the power other side, that power becomes reciprocal. Remember that. Similarly, here also power is 3. Send other side. Then it is cos alpha minus sin alpha is equal to m minus n by a whole power 1 by 3. So like that, we got an equation in terms of cos and sin. From this, we have to eliminate the alpha. So for eliminating the alpha, already we know the procedure that we have to square both the equations on both the sides. Then we have to add them. So then square these equations on both the sides. Squaring on both the side. Cos alpha plus sin alpha whole square. If expand this, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to. So if we squaring this, we are getting m plus n by a whole power 1 by 3 whole square, means that power become 2 by 3. Power we are getting 2 by 3. Similarly, square the second equation also on both the side. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to m minus n by a whole power 2 by 3. This is what we are getting. Now add them. दोनों भी ऐड करो. दोनों भी ऐड किया तो इधर cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, this is 1, this is also 1. 1 plus 1, this is 2, is equal to, these two terms are getting cancelled. Now here m plus n whole power 2 by 3 by a power 2 by 3 plus m minus n whole power 2 by 3 by a power 2 by 3, we are getting in the denominator is a power 2 by 3. This is what we are getting if you add these two. Okay. Now bring this a power 2 by 3 will get this side. So this answer is 2 times a power 2 by 3. That is the answer for it. Take that. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you look at the next problem, 33rd problem. So this problem number 33. It is given that tan square alpha tan square beta plus tan square beta tan square gamma plus tan square gamma tan square alpha plus 2 tan square alpha tan square beta tan square gamma is equal to 1. Then what is the value of sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is? This value we have to find it. Okay. To find this value, what we will do is, actually if we go to the original procedure, it is very lengthy problem. Okay, almost about 2 to 3 pages it will take to solve the problem. That's why we will not go to the original procedure, because here we want the answer. And all the options we can find that is a constant only. That's why what we will do is, observe this equation. We will assume some values for alpha, beta, gamma, which is satisfy that equation. So for those alpha, beta, gamma, it is going to use the constant answer. Okay. Once observe that. In that, suppose if I take that, let alpha is equal to beta is equal to 45 degree and gamma is equal to 0 degree if I assume it. Alpha, beta 45 degree and gamma equal to 0 degree if I assume it. Here substitute there. Tan 45, 1. Tan 45, 1 means this term is 1. And gamma is 0 means tan gamma, that is tan 0 is 0. This term is 0. Here also gamma is there means this is also 0. Here also gamma is there, this is also 0. Means overall we are getting 1 only. Means these angles are going to satisfy that equation. That's why we can assume these angles. If you assume this, keep these angles in that. तीनों एंगल्स इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो क्या मिलेंगे हमको? sin square 45 डिग्री प्लस sin square 45 डिग्री प्लस sin square 0 डिग्री. गामा वैल्यू इज 0. sin 45 डिग्री का वैल्यू क्या है?
1 by root 2 whole
1
square.
by root
1 by root
1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Sin 0 is 0. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1. That is the answer. Okay, like that whenever the condition was given, if it is possible to assume the angles, assume the angle, then keep those angles in the problem, then you'll get the answer. Take that.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes, look at the next problem. Observe this problem number 34. It is given that P is equal to P is equal to 2 sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, and Q is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Then which of the following options are correct? Means we have to eliminate the theta from this also. Just observe this. How do you eliminate the theta? For that, what we will do is, it is 2 sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta is there. This is I will write 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. Then here I will multiply and divide it by 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta से multiply divide कर. First equation multiply divided by 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. Here consider this 1 plus sin theta is one term, cos theta is the second term. Then it is 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon. Now, if you multiply the denominator, we can observe that it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. ये दोनों भी multiply किया तो that is a square minus b square. A square means you get that 1 plus sin theta whole square minus b square means cos square theta we will get in the denominator. Okay. Then it is 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon. Now we will expand the denominator. It is a plus b whole square. So if you expand this, 1 square plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus cos square theta. This is what we are getting. Then 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon. In the denominator, just observe this. First term 1, last term minus cos square theta. So if you consider 1 and minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, how do you write it? 1 minus cos
Sin
square
square theta.
sin square
Sin
theta
square.
plus here already sin square theta is there plus 2 sin theta. Means here I am considering the first term and the last term. That is the correct sin square theta. So that P is equal to 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon the denominator. If you observe that sin square theta plus sin square theta, which is 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. Okay. Now from the denominator, what we can take common?
2.
2 and
Sin theta.
sin theta. 2 sin theta कॉमन निकाल सकता हूं. बाकी क्या मिलेगा? Sin theta
Sin theta
plus 1.
plus 1.
So sin theta gets cancelled.
Sin
This
theta plus 1.
is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus 1. This is the value of the P. Okay. Now take the Q. Q is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta or sin theta plus 1. Now we will add them. ये दोनों भी add करो. Just a minute. ये दोनों भी ऐड करो. दोनों भी ऐड किया तो इज P plus Q is equal to, ये दोनों टर्म का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है ना. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो the LCM is sin theta plus 1. Then the numerator will get that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta. Numerator डायरेक्ट ऐड करना पड़ेगा. अभी cos minus cos theta plus cos theta gets cancelled. Remaining is 1 plus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta, which is equivalent to 1. Therefore, P plus Q is equal to 1. That is the answer. Okay. So means for such problems, if you remember, if you practice once or twice, we will remember the answers. So if you remember the answers directly, you can keep the answers in the examination.
Sir, explain once.
Okay. So here procedure is nothing. Only little bit calculations are involved. Here I will take the P. This 2 sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. This is I write sin theta plus cos theta. Then I will rationalize this by its conjugate. Means 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta is there. I will take 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. I will take it. I will multiply and divide by that term. Then add in the numerator as it is. So denominator दोनों भी multiply किया तो it is in the form of a plus b and it is a minus b form. You know the formula for a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square means 1 plus sin theta whole square minus b square means cos square theta. Again write in the numerator as it easily. Expand the denominator. It is a plus b whole square form. If you expand that, a square बोले तो 1 square, b square बोले तो sin square theta, 2ab बोले तो 2 sin theta minus cos square theta. अभी इधर पहले टर्म इधर लास्ट टर्म देखो. So पहले टर्म 1, last term minus cos square theta. So this 1 minus cos square theta we can write sin square theta. That sin square theta I have written there. Plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. Sin square plus sin square, that is 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. We denominator से 2 sin theta कॉमन निकाल सकता. 2 sin theta कॉमन निकाल दो. बाकी मिलेंगे इधर sin theta plus 1. Of course 2 sin theta gets cancelled. Then we got that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus 1, and that take the Q value. Cos theta by sin theta plus 1. दोनों भी ऐड करो. So if you add them, P plus Q is equal to, ये दोनों का नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में sin theta plus 1 is there. दोनों को सेम टर्म है. So LCM sin theta plus 1 होता है. मतलब न्यूमरेटर ऐड करना पड़ेगा. न्यूमरेटर ऐड किया तो cos theta gets cancelled. बाकी 1 plus sin theta upon sin theta plus 1, that is 1. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So look at the next problem. Problem number 35. Once observe this. X is equal to secant pi minus tan pi. X is equal to secant pi minus tan pi into cosecant pi plus cot pi. Then which of the following options are correct? Means all the options are given in terms of pi. So which of the following options are correct? To check it, what we will do is, rather than going to the procedure, we will take something for the pi. Then we can find the value of x and y. Then it is better to check from the options. Okay. So here when the secant, tan, cosecant, cot is given, don't take the 0, 90 degree. Why? Because cot 0 is not defined, tan 90 is not defined. So that's why 0, 90 मत लो. So बाकी कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. So कौन सा वाला पसंद है आपका? Angle? I will take 45 degree now. Let pi is equal to say 45 degree. Then x is equal to secant 45. Secant 45 degree is how much?
2.
Root 2. Minus tan 45 is 1. This is the value of the x. And y is equal to cosecant 45 is also root 2. Cot pi is 1. These are the values of x and then we will check which option is going to satisfy these two. So this first option is given that x is equal to y plus 1 by y minus 1. We will check whether it satisfies or not.
दुसऱ्या फोनचे कामच नाही दुसरे फोन कुठे करते कर
Mute yourself.
बापा येल काय झालं चार्जिंग वगैरे नाही
X बोले तो root 2 minus 1. Substitute the y there, y plus 1. Y बोले तो root 2 plus 1 plus 1. That is root 2 plus 2. By y minus 1 बोले तो root 2. Okay? अभी इधर 2 है, this 2 can write the root 2 into root 2. So दोनों से root 2 कॉमन निकाल सकता है, root 2 कैंसिल होता है. root 2 कैंसिल हो गए तो हमको मिलेंगे 1 plus root 2. Means ये दोनों भी इक्वल नहीं ना? root 2 minus 1, 1 minus root 2, both are not same. That's why it is not the answer. Second option. X is equal to, it is given that y minus 1 by y plus 1. We will check it. X बोले तो root 2 minus 1. Y minus 1 बोले तो root 2. Y plus 1 बोले तो root 2 plus 2. अभी डिनोमिनेटर से दोनों से root 2 कॉमन निकाल सकता है, root 2 कैंसिल. So root 2 कैंसिल हो गए तो बाकी मिलेंगे 1 by 1 plus root 2 मिलेंगे, it is root 2 plus 1. Again I will rationalize it. Multiply divided by root 2 minus 1. Then the numerator is root 2 minus 1 upon denominator दोनों भी multiply किया तो क्या मिलेंगे हमको a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. A square means root 2 whole square, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Means नीचे मिलेगा 1. That means this value is equal to root 2 minus 1. दोनों भी equal है ना? So this is answer. Like that we will check from the options. Completed?
Yes, Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at the next problem. So what are the problems I've explained? Once again, practice these problems. Then we'll get the confident, and from the competitive thinking, no need to solve all the problems. Just to solve the problems which are marked as an Mhtcet, that is a Maharashtra CET or MPPET. वो दोनों problems solve करो. Then if you're not getting, then you can post me. This is MHCET 2018. So such problems, just to practice those problems. MHCET. Okay. Now look at the 36th problem. It is given that sine theta 1 plus sine theta 2 plus sine theta 3 is equal to 3. Then cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 is equal to how much? So it is a simple logical question. Just understand that. Here the condition is given, then